And welcome to Mavrek, where we simplify the process of selling a business. Mavrek has the proven process and digital tools needed to guide you through the entire process from start to finish. Proven process, secure online data room, customizable templates, AI tools. The Mavrek app has it all. If you already have a buyer, invite your buyer to your deal on Mavrek. Make it simple. Want to list your business for sale? First, get started on Mavrek and get your business ready. Then you'll be prepared to have those buyer conversations. Mavrek creates a listing automatically. You can edit and then easily post on any of the online marketplaces. Need a valuation? Get started on Mavrek, and all the information you need to complete a valuation will be in one place. Signing up is free. You'll only start paying a subscription fee once a buyer has exchanged a non-disclosure agreement with you. Mavrek will take you through each step of selling your business, and Mavrek will take your buyers through each step of buying a business. Finally, an all-in-one application to sell your business. Welcome to Mavrek. Good luck on your deal.